Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw settlement proceeds using Stewart Title step by step clearly. To begin the withdrawal process, gather all necessary documents related to your settlement. Make sure you have your identification, the settlement agreement, and any other paperwork required by Stewart Title. Contact your local Stewart Title office to schedule an appointment. During this call, inquire about any specific documents they may require ahead of your visit. Visit the Stewart Title office on the scheduled date and time. Check in at the reception and let them know you are there to withdraw settlement proceeds. Present your identification and any required documents to the staff. The staff will guide you through the verification process. After verification, they will provide you with a withdrawal form to complete. Carefully fill out the withdrawal form, making sure all information is accurate. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to ask the staff. Once you have completed the form, submit it along with your identification and documents. The staff will process your request, which may take some time. Be prepared to wait briefly while they finalize the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, you will receive your settlement proceeds. Ensure to review all provided documents and funds before leaving the office. If you have any concerns or discrepancies, address them immediately with the staff. Make sure to store your settlement proceeds safely after leaving. If you need further assistance or have any questions after your withdrawal, contact Stewart Title for support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.